I'm on the phone with my aunt. Ti stai usando due aranci, she says in Sicilian dialect. My aunt Carmela is my father's sister. She's calling from Sicily. When I was born in Montreal, my parents were new immigrants, and they had to work. So they sent me to their small Sicilian village where there was family to take care of me. I don't remember being poor or missing my parents. I remember the chicken coop. I remember bread baking in the wood-burning oven. I remember Zio Luigi, Zia Carmela's sweet, sweet husband, always singing. I remember my little cousin Giuseppe. Zio Luigi would put us both on the donkey and we'd ride out to the olive groves. Giuseppe died when he was 11 actually. He was my aunt and uncle's only child. By 2020, our village, it's one of those places you hear about where houses are selling for a couple of euros. Zio Luigi has liver disease, dementia. I'm gonna go stay with them for a while. I put the rest of my stuff in, last few things in my suitcase, and I'm all set. I'm on the phone with Zia Carmela. Don't come, she says. It's not safe. People are getting sick, they're dying. It's this virus, the coronavirus, it's spreading, it's everywhere, it's in Canada now. All non-essential travel is canceled. I know, right? It's so unreal. I can't bring myself to unpack my suitcase. In my head, we're strolling in the piazza. Zio Luigi is humming, and then he's buying me granita. In reality, I'm in my apartment alone in Montreal. It's the first lockdown. I download Zoom. I'm binging Schitt's Creek. I'm looking at all of these memes about toilet paper. Remember the great TP shortage of early COVID? Yeah. I try to get some work done, I really do, but I keep checking the news. I'm checking the COVID world meter, number of cases, total deaths by country, deaths by age, by gender. My head is just a mess and my heart is racing. It's just better to just stick to Netflix, right? So it's K-drama and Money Heist and Indian matchmaking and Cobra Kai. But at some point, I watched everything on Netflix, even Tiger King. Now what? Suspended from in the corner of my home office is this small disco ball, vintage Dollarama. When the light is just right, it creates this kaleidoscope all around me. It reminds me of this music video from when I was a teenager. Close your eyes and imagine an empty discotheque. The diva enters. She's wearing a sparkly top with a silver belt in the shape of a thunderbolt. Laura Branigan. She stops under the disco ball, right, which is spinning all around her. She is the center of the universe. She has thick statement eyebrows, just like mine. This is the music video for The Last Days of Disco Banger, Gloria. Gloria, I think they've got your number. Gloria. I think they've got the alias. You feel it, right? Gloria sparks joy. I play it on a loop. There's a Spanish Gloria. I add it to the quarantine playlist. But no quarantine playlist is complete without original Gloria, Italian Gloria. Did you know? Laura Branigan's Gloria is a remake of Gloria, written and performed by superstar Umberto Tozzi. With an Italian accent now. Gloria. Chiesa di campagna. Gloria. Acqua nel deserto. Ah. Okay, those of you who don't know Umberto Tozzi, he's kind of like Ed Sheeran with a sexy 1970s Latin lover vibe. So in the middle of the night, after doom scrolling for days, YouTube takes me from Laura Branigan to Umberto Tozzi, the Umberto Tozzi video for Gloria. He's on the beach in a full black tuxedo with tails, a very ruffly shirt, bow tie, and white sneakers. And he's jogging on the beach. He has an 8-piece orchestra, cello, violins, all of them in tuxedos, jogging on the beach while they're playing. At one point, it's just his head floating in the middle of the screen. This is 1979, people, before MTV. For the youngsters, those of you born in this century, MTV came after the dinosaurs, but before the TikTok. So I finished watching Netflix now, so now I'm reading all of Wikipedia. And Wiki tells me that Laura Branigan almost renamed English Gloria Mario. She went in a different direction. I first hear Gloria in high school, right, on records imported from Italy on CFMB, Italian radio. And then Gloria becomes Gloria. And I hear it on CKGM, on Casey Kasem's Top 40. Yeah. During COVID, this music and all this nostalgia, it's what keeps me going, right? It kind of saves me in a way. Year 2 of the pandemic. Another lockdown. Zio Luigi goes into liver failure. I have a nightmare. Mount Etna, this big volcano in Sicily, it erupts and the lava destroys all life on Sicily. The island sinks into the Mediterranean. Zio Luigi passes away. I still haven't unpacked my suitcase. Something in Laura Branigan's biography, autobiography, hadn't registered before, but it's right there on Wikipedia. Laura Branigan is dead. She's dead. She's been dead for decades. She was only 52 when she died. Gloria starts to sound like a funeral march. Fuck you, Wikipedia. Fuck you, Laura Branigan. Fuck you, Zio Luigi. I delete all the Glorias from my playlist, even Spanish Gloria. Around early 2023, I get an odd email. Subject, Gloria forever. I look at the email and it's just a poster of a guy, older guy. He's got gray hair and a buzz cut. He's got a guitar slung over his shoulder, black t-shirt, black leather vest. I don't recognize him at first. It's rockstar casual, right? It's him. It's Umberto Tozzi. He's alive. He's alive. He's 71 years old, and he's on the Gloria Forever World Tour, and he's coming to La Belle Provence. It's going to be a nostalgic show, says the promo. Great Easter present, early Mother's Day gift, hashtag Ti amo. I haven't thought about Gloria in so long. I figure the universe is trying to tell me something. Tickets are going for $134 to $200 and something dollars. I get the cheap seats. Night of the concert. It's ciao ciao kiss kiss. I'm with my zia Rita and my first cousin Domenica. My second cousin Enza is there, zia Filomena, and 500 of our closest paisans. I'm the only one wearing Birkenstocks. It's okay, Franca, it's okay, nobody can tell, says zia Rita. We're in the Embassy Plaza, Laval. Umberto Tozzi, platinum superstar, is playing an Italian wedding hall on a strip mall on Curé la Belle. Club Entrepôt on one side, Giant Tiger on the other. We're in the plaza's largest hall. It's like an all-white setting with chandeliers. We've been waiting for the concert to start for about an hour, maybe even more. We hear this thumping coming from the mini hall next door. It's a wedding. Ibrahim and Shaima's wedding reception is in full swing on the wall behind us. And then he's there, Umberto Tozzi is on stage. Oh, there's this buzz in the air, and there's this the stage lights are like blue, silver, and it feels like I'm in a memory, like I'm not really there. He's singing, Ti amo, ti amo. Yeah, that's Umberto Tozzi, yeah. See, you know him. All of us, right, and it's hit like that after hit, and all of us in the hall, it's like we're reliving all of these family weddings, right? Back when we always had a live band and prom and return trips to Italy. Finally, he saves Gloria for last. We go crazy. We're swaying, we're singing, we're together, breathing the same air. This is what it means to be alive. In my head, we're on the beach. All of us on the beach. Laura Branigan is there, and Zia Luigi, my little cousin Giuseppe. All of us here too, we're all on the beach in tuxedos. Dancing. Gloria, Gloria, Gloria forever. Thank you.
di campagna, acqua nel deserto, lascio aperto cuore, scappa senza far rumore, dal lavoro, dal tuo letto, dei gradini di un altare, t'aspetto gloria. C'è il giorno e invece di dormire con la memoria torna e in una tuba poveri in una terra libera per chi respira nebbia, per chi respira rabbia, per me che senza gloria con tu nuda sul divano faccio stelle di cartone pensato gloria, gloria, manchi tu nell'aria, manchi come il sale, manchi più del sole, sciogli questa neve che soffoca il mio pietto, t'aspetto gloria, gloria, chiesa di campagna, acqua nel deserto, lascio aperto cuore, scappa senza far rumore, dall'uvero, dal tuo letto, dei gradini d'un altare, t'aspetto gloria. Gloria, chiesa di campagna, acqua nel deserto, lascio aperto cuore,